So, guys, it finally happened. We broke the all-time high. Crazy, guys. Still nearly 1.5 months until the Bitcoin halving, and we broke the all-time high today, guys, touching $69,000 and nearly $70,000, way ahead of schedule. And now there is a lot of talk about, are we entering a super cycle? Is this bull cycle going to dwarf the 2021 bull cycle? And honestly, guys, I think there's every potential of that. For us to break the all-time high at this stage in the cycle, in the 4-year cycle, is insane. We've had a little correction right now, which is good, guys. This is healthy. Remember this, guys. This is always healthy. No chart just goes up and up and up and up, unless we are in phase 4 of the chart I'm going to show you next. We'll get into that though, guys, because you have an opportunity now. Unless you've got millions of dollars to play with, then you can buy Bitcoin, guys. You can probably get a 3x on your money, and you might be happy with that. But the fact of the matter is, the majority of us do not have a million to invest. So this is where this chart comes into action, guys. This is from Secrets of Crypto, so full credit to him for this chart. And this basically maps out exactly what usually happens, guys. Now, it's what usually happens. Is this going to happen this time? Who knows, guys? But this is normally how it plans out. So phase 1, the flow of money moves into Bitcoin, causing price surges. Tick, this has been done. Bitcoin has been performing insane. It's literally up like what in the past month. You can see the gains that it has made. This is just mental. And in the year, if you look at the year graph, people were picking this up at 20,000. So people have made nearly a 4x. People are picking this up at 19,000, a 3 to 4x, and we're not even in the full bull run, the peak of the bull run. So the next sector in this, the next phase in this, is when the money flow goes into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin and starts outperforming it. So currently, Ethereum is also pumping, but it is not outperforming Bitcoin, guys. This is still yet to break its all-time high. Very close, and I do think this is coming soon. Now, who knows the exact date, but this is my opinion. I think this will be broken very soon to reach its all-time high. And this is where you can start to position yourself, looking for the maximum returns that you can get. So phase 2, Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, and we hear talks of the flipping. This hasn't happened yet. But again, guys, you want to be ahead of the crowd. You want to figure out these trends before they happen, because it's too late. Once it happens, it's too late. And then once we get to this phase, once Ethereum has pumped and it's outperforming Bitcoin, we then see money flow into large caps. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, loads of the large caps are up. Some of them are up 100%, some of them are up 200%. But guys, you need to understand that we could potentially be entering a super cycle. And that 100% gain or that 200% gain, in the grand scheme of things, is nothing compared to what it could go to. Now, I use the same strategy without, guys. I DCA. My strategy is DCAing, guys. I check my portfolio. I check the list, everything which is strong fundamentally, and I check the 7-day and 30-day chart, and I see what is down on the week, what is down on the month, and I DCA into it accordingly. That is always been my strategy. When we're up and we've pumped, my DCAs have I've DCA'd a little amount, small amounts, but not a lot. So yeah, guys, then we get to phase three. We get to phase three where the large caps start to pump. The money flow goes from Ethereum to the large caps. And at this stage, Bitcoin is not stagnant, but the gains and the appreciation have relaxed and are less visible. And Ethereum continues to pump, and the large caps, your Polygons, your Solanas, your Avalanche, your Cardano, your AVAX, your Chainlink, all the large caps start to perform. And then, guys, we get alt season. Some people are saying we're in alt season already. We are not in alt season, in my opinion. We are just getting warmed up. We haven't started. And you can see here, guys, at phase four, alt season, large caps have gone full vertical and we're seeing blow off tops, which we haven't seen yet. The mid caps, the low caps, the micro caps are pumping. It says all at the same time. This obviously varies. The large caps have been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum. It seems every coin is going parabolic, regardless of fundamentals, which is another very interesting point, guys, because we put so much effort into researching our cryptos. It needs to be the best coin, the best tokenomics, the best fundamentals, the best team, which is what I'm big on, guys. And, you know, but it's interesting to see, everything pumping. Literally, you could invest in anything and just pick a coin and it's pumping. That's peak all season. That's what we saw in 2021. We saw, complete crap coins going insane for months on end without any pullbacks. And yeah, guys, this is what you should be paying attention to. You have the opportunity to set yourself up still for alt season. So I am still waiting for Ethereum to outperform Bitcoin and break its all-time high. Once it breaks its all-time high, I'm then going to be looking at sort of, lily padding, jumping from Ethereum and moving it into some of the lower high caps, particularly some of the coins which are of interest to me. Now, Solana, I think, is an amazing project, amazing coin, doing huge things within gaming, a lot of meme coins being launched on it. But guys, it's 60 billion. And, I think, for example, Cardano's also good. I'm not going to knock Cardano. But for me, I personally think Avalanche has huge potential from here. The 10x would put this at 150, 160 billion in market cap. I think is very possible. With the gaming sector, a lot of gaming projects are choosing Avalanche to build on. I think that's going to continue to go insane. We've also got Dot, which I think also has room from here. We have Chainlink, Oracle, which is probably has the most utility out of a lot of projects. Another good choice, in my opinion. Polygon, which will perform well, in my opinion. We've got what else we got? We have HBAR, quite bullish on HBAR. We have Near Protocol, which I'm also bullish on. We have Kronos. Kronos is interesting, guys, because of the marketing aspect. They are huge. You could argue they have the most marketing potential within the crypto space. We saw them with the crypto.com arena. They sponsored the Super Bowl, and they're probably going to sponsor a lot of other sporting events, guys, which can bring in millions of people into crypto. So I think they're going to have a really good bull run. For under 4 billion in market cap, this has huge potential. I don't hold Kronos, but I think it's a good project. Injective, again, another insane project. Casper, one of the biggest communities in the space, huge potential. VeChain with its huge partnerships and solving the supply chain issues, huge. We've also got Pepe meme coins, again, Render, huge AI project with its rendering capabilities, GPU rendering. I think this has huge gains in it still. Algorand, bullish on it, and the list goes on, guys. We've got Quant here, one of my favorite projects, 1.5 billion. So this is what I'm talking about, guys. You can position yourself for these large caps and also alt season. it's up to you guys. If you want to stick to, you know, the top 10, you know, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, BNB, Solana, that's fine. But if you want those real returns, you're going to need to research beforehand and get yourself ready for alt season. So yeah, guys, really insane few weeks, and to see Bitcoin break its all-time high, had quite a decent correction here, down to $65,500. But guys, once you're in this space, these dips, you see these dips as an opportunity. You don't get worried by them. You just see it as an opportunity to scoop more projects up, guys. So yeah, guys, just a quick update on Bitcoin, and also to be aware of this chart, guys. This is a very powerful chart which has played out in history, and I have a strong sort of understanding that this can repeat itself. But again, guys, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research, but you can look at past results and you can look at the trends from the past, and you can see we have hit phase one and we are going to phase two, where Ethereum will outperform Bitcoin. So anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'd appreciate a like if you found it useful, and a subscribe, and I will be bringing you more projects which have huge potential, getting you ready for alt season. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next video.